What's up, everybody? Michael Silva here. This is episode 80 of Day Trading Live here on the Webull Desktop software. We are looking at a chart of BA. This is Boeing on the 5-minute time frame. Let me walk you through my thought process here. As you can see, the day started off quite bearish. We had a nice gap down, and the price has been putting in some higher lows, but also putting in some lower highs. Now, the overall chart is in bearish context because of the gap down. This, to me, looks like the pattern is going to break down. So I entered into a small position here. If you look at the MACD does look like it's crossing over to become a little bit more bearish here. So I do suspect we might see some sort of a breakdown, which does look like it's happening now. I bought 3 contracts. So this is an options trade. This is my first options trade capturing live. I typically just trade equities, but let's go ahead and see here how this plays out. That right there looked somewhat like a false breakdown, but we will see if we get some continuation here to the downside. I just mitigated one of my contracts there, so I have 2 remaining. Okay, I just mitigated another contract, so that got rid of now 2 out of my 3 contracts, and now I'm going to let this remaining contract work for me to see how low it can go. But I wanted to capture in profits. It's very important when you're trading options, especially if you're shorting. This candle right here does look like some sort of a hammer, so we might see a bump up. And what do you know? What's taking place right now? Could this be real? Could this be fake? So I don't want to lose all these profits that I just locked in, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready to close this order here soon. See if we get some sort of a pullback. This could be a fake out. It's a little bit of an overextension in my opinion, so we might actually see just the retest happening and then actually a pullback. Let's see here. Still hanging in strong for the moment. If it gets past that green line, that VWAP, I think I'm just going to get myself stopped out here, but I feel, yep, there we go. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of a pullback. It's really catching a bid right now. See if it breaks through the VWAP or if it gets rejected. Like I said, that was a pretty aggressive move to the VWAP. Still got some time remaining on this candle, so I'm just being patient as of right now. All right, so I went ahead and see if I can sell that there at, there we go. I just got out of the position. Didn't want that last contract to really get away from me. Now this might also be a good potential opportunity to short into this if it extends up a little bit higher. But as of right now, that is what I wanted to do. I just wanted to close it out. So I still had a winning trade. This is why risk mitigation is so important and always having a stop loss. That was actually very, very small scalp on those 3 contracts. This candle really did take away quite a bit of my earnings, so I came out positive $7 on this specific trade. Still is up, but that is my first options trade that I kind of just wanted to share with all of you. Now, what could have happened here is we might have seen a continuation to the downside where we could have kept on just building up on those profits. But this is sometimes fake breakouts, and this decided not to continue with the breakdown. It decided to catch a bid right here at support at 161, and it started moving higher. And as you can see now, it's above the VWAP, so we might see a move up even higher to here. Just going to call it quits for the day. $7. I'll take the green trade, and I will be back tomorrow with another trading video. See you later.